So I take creatine a lot and was wondering if you could take it on the plane, and the answer is actually yes. However, there are a few different tips I have for you. Now, the first one is to keep it in the original packaging that you actually bought it in. Now, this just helps it if it's being pulled over by TSA, because they might think it's some sort of drugs or something, you know, and then take their little swab thing to actually make sure it's not drugs, which it's clearly not. But keeping it in the original container is just good practice because it helps them identify the substance faster if they are to pull you over in a bag check. And also, if you're taking over 350 milligrams of creatine just on your check-in or carry-on, you must place them in a separate bin for x-ray screening. This is the rules on TSA. I'm not sure why this is, but if you're taking over 12 ounces or 350 milliliters, you've got to place it in a separate bin when you're at the checkpoint at the airport. And some pro tips are obviously just keeping it in the original container if there isn't a lot left, or you can just put it in a small plastic bag which you can actually carry on, or buy separate small creatine pouches that just have like an individual serving size of creatine, so you can pack as many as you need for how many days you're gone. Or you can just take pills. Those are a few different things, but yeah, there's a chance they pull you over, so account for that time when you're going to the airport with your creatine. But if you're checking it, no problem. Checking it's super easy and convenient. That's typically what I do, I'll be honest.